Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and it's me Minhas. So let's start a new vlog. Jihetu apnalake gom paise je picnic sobe ahi ase New Year bolike. So we also came for a picnic. This is my bhaiti Afrin. Hi, say hi. Asif mukhan dekhai de bhalke. Aru ami ahisu family logot etia আমি কোন আহিছো হেতু আপোনাক জনাই দিও গতিকে আমি আহিছো কন্যাকা বেছি দূৰলৈ অহা নাই এইটো আছে জামুগুৰিত যদিকে আপোনাক ইয়ালৈ আহিব পাৰে যদি হে বিচাৰিছে wow what a scenery oh there are some places to sit and also places where the kids can play. This is my mother. Mama. Hi. This is my Hi. Mama. Hi. Mahi. Hi. Yeah, Jathai. Hi. Aru. Eya hoise Arsat. Arsat. Hi, koya. Hi. Bibi. As you can see, everyone is enjoying here, including our family. They are busy in taking pictures. So we are hungry, so let's go to a restaurant now. As you can see, everything is very delicate, very beautiful. I thought we are on a picnic, but now we are just going out. It's not a picnic. So this is a cow farm. And let's go inside, but I guess we are not allowed to go inside because entry is prohibited. So I'm going to show you from outside. These pieces are not from here. As you can see, the head structure is different. As we can see here, their horns are different. Not like the usual cow we see on Assam. And the black and white print cows, those cows are from Rajasthan. So guys, ami Kandikar par ahilu and etia yat ahisu Karbi vlog. So বিশেষ একো নাই দেখাবলৈ ষ্টিল যিমাখিনি পৰা আপোনালোকক দেখাম Also there is a boating side and per boating 30 rupees and it's only for 20 minutes. So let's go inside. পৰিবেশ আপোনালোকে দেখিব পাৰিছে there is also place to sit বহুত ধুনীয়া ঘৰ বনাই থোৱা আছে ইয়াত বাহৰ also you can wear Karbi dress here and that is 50 rupees কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে আহি খুব ভাল লাগিছে হয় নেকি amazing অনানিজান কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে আহি ভাল লাগিছে ইমান ভাল লাগিছে কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে বঢ়িয়া So now we are here for our dress change. We will be wearing Karbi dress. So we are now here and this is Karbi dress as you can see. Very elegant, very beautiful and we will be wearing this and you can click pictures. That's it. So keep watching. So guys, I pinhilu Karbi dress. Aru full outfit to pisot dekhai dim kenuka lagise. Eya mor bhanti. Aru eya mahi. আৰু এয়া হৈছে মোৰ মা আমি সকলোৱে পিন্ধিছো আৰু আপোনালোকক দেখাম photo session ended, and now we are heading towards changing our dress. So we changed our dress, and now we are returning to our home, and we enjoyed a lot. We will eat something and we will go to our home. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.